Out keywords are used to pass arguments by reference, meaning changes made inside the method affect the original variable. However, they have important differences. When we are using the ref keyword, the variable must be initialized before passing to the method. The method may or may not assign a value, and used when a variable already has a value and you want to modify it. Means we have to assign the value before passing it to a method, and we can change the value of the ref parameter in the method, or you can use as it is, but it will be passed by reference. When we are using out keyword, the variable does not need to be initialized before passing it. Like in when we are passing the variable by reference, it has to be initialized before passing it. But in case of out keyword, you can assign a value or you may not need to assign a value, but condition is it must be assigned a value in the method before it returns. So this out keyword, or you can say out keyword parameter, out parameters commonly used when method needs to return multiple values. So that's the main difference between the out and ref keywords. For more explanation with example, follow the link given in the description. Thank you.